Siba to be speaking here, and I thank you so much for actually investing your time in listening to what I have to say. On this video today, we're going to be speaking about how long does it take to actually master forex trading. So I do know that I get this question a lot, like whereby people ask me how long does it take to really be let's say consistent in the markets, or to just understand the forex market, as I am a beginner. Yes, the reason I'm able to explain to that is because I was once in your shoes. I can relate to that, so I actually have the authority to be able to answer that. So what happens is that to just quickly explain my story of the side, like my side of things. It took me, I started trading around 2017, April is when I had my live account. I never traded a demo account. I only started with the live account, and ever since then, like, it just kept on. It was a small account, you do know, like $22. So ever since then, it literally took me, I would say maybe 11 months, because 2017, 2018, around March, that's when I got my breakthrough. But it took me, let's say, 11 months, 10 months to really understand or know what's happening from the markets. And yes, I didn't get a mentor. I never had a mentor. It was just me. I'm watching YouTube videos, just like how you guys are watching YouTube videos now. It was just me. I'm trying to get that 1%, let's say, tweak on my trading, just so I can be able to move forward in the markets. So what happened with that, or the reason it took me so long, is because of the fact that, with that being said, like, you don't know what strategy works best for you. Not even that, but you don't really know what backtesting is, trading plan. You don't have a person that's gonna work with you alongside this journey. So it really, like, it's actually a long process that it wasn't supposed to take me that long. So yes, it did take me that long, 10 to 11 months. I don't know, you'll just calculate it. And as soon as February's hit, I got my very first mentor, which was a person that it was actually an online course. So I got my mentor from there, and it took me, like, because already I knew what forex is, I knew the very basics. So I just needed the strategy, the risk, and like these things that are very much important, you know, not just like the very basics, because I knew them. So with that being said, it took me literally like what, just a month. After I have like signed up for all the mentor stuff, it took me a month to just go from making and losing money to go to making, like, what, seeing profits of $300, $500, even thousands of dollars. So it's actually, what I would say is that it depends on also where you are on your journey to be able to master it. Let's say if you're a beginner and you've got a mentor that has been in your position, it will take, from my side, I would say that it should take you anywhere between 2 to 3 months to understand. You are a beginner, you don't know anything about forex at all. It should take you 2 to 3 months to understand forex, understand, to know what's happening, have confidence, and all those things. And it should take you anywhere between 4 months to 6 months to literally master forex. If you are a beginner, to master it will take you 4 to 6 months. That's if you have a mentor. But if you haven't got a mentor, I would say that it should take you anywhere between a year to a year and 6 months to know or understand forex, because you're watching YouTube videos and there's a lot of information, there's a lot of people that say this. Like, even now, if you just search forex trading, my videos are going to pop up, people from all over the world's videos are going to pop up. So it's just a lot of things. And the other one would say trade this way, the other ones would say don't trade this way. So it's just a lot of let's say gurus on the net. So let's say if you just stick to a specific person, you're gonna basically what that person does is that, as a mentor, as your mentor, like I have been a mentor to my students, what I do is that I'm able to, since I've been a beginner, I'm able to just give them from the very basics of what took me so long to master forex, to the very, like, to the most advanced things, strategy, risk management, and all those things, break it down into smaller steps, and just so they can be able to understand and, let's say, utilize that in just like what, 2 to 3 months. That's why I've got beginners that come, and within 2 to 3 months they're already showing me nice profits, which I wish I had something like that in my early beginnings. But yeah, if you don't have a mentor, you take a year and 6 months to just understand the market and be confident. And it should take you at least 3 years. Let's say if you haven't got a mentor at all, it should take you 3 years to master and maybe make consistent profits. That's from my side. That's how I see things. Because remember, like I said, there's a lot of things that happen. You're going to be taking information from this and this and that. Because I'm sure even if, let's say, you follow one person, you'll be following the other person too. So like let's say you've got 2 mentors that you follow. The one is saying buy gold, the other one is saying sell gold, which they might be correct, but it's just the other one is looking at it from a bigger time frame, the other one is looking at it from a smaller time frame. So it confuses you as a person. But if you just follow one specific person, that's gonna be a bit much better, because that's what I've done. As soon as I got myself a mentor, I stopped. I was involved in a lot of trading groups, so I just literally went out like all of them, and then I just sticked to that one, and then I just read whatever the person was telling me and all these things. And from there, I experienced my breakthrough. So I believe that this video is going to help you understand the whole concept of how Forex works, because it's not something that you join this week and next week you make thousands of rands or dollars. So I just want you to just understand the most important thing of being able to understand how Forex works and how you can master Forex as a person. To also know that yes, it's possible to really become consistent or to become profitable without a mentor, but it will take you this long. And it's also possible to become profitable and consistent with the mentor. It's also going to take you this specific time frame. So just to top it off, I don't want this video to be that long. Just to top it off, I'll just I'll just unpack the things that I just said in just a quick I don't know, 2-line sentence. So it should take you 3 months, 2 to 3 months to just understand Forex, 4 to 6 months to master Forex if you have a mentor. If you haven't got a mentor, it should take you anyway 1 year to 1 year 6 months to understand and be confident in the markets, and it should take you 3 years to at least master Forex trading. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube video, to my YouTube channel, I would like you to please do hit the subscribe button. You can turn on the bell. The bell is going to be able to help you whenever I post a video, as I do. You see, I post a lot. When I do post, you'll be one of the first people to be it's gonna ring up to you and say, "Listen, I just posted a video," so you can just watch it. And yeah, I would like to thank you so much for also investing your time in watching these videos, as I believe that they add value onto you. This is Mutupi.